Did you know Toothless never forgot Hiccup even after they separated? We know that at the end of the third movie, Toothless and Hiccup say goodbye, and Toothless starts a new life with the Light Fury in the hidden world. But Hiccup and Toothless were like brothers, so Toothless never forgot him. In How to Train Your Dragon Homecoming, Toothless has gotten much better at drawing, and this time draws Hiccup in the sand far more clearly than he did in the first movie. This makes the Light Fury upset, so Toothless has to calm her down. While it may seem like the Light Fury was jealous, the real reason she got upset was likely because she didn't want to put their children in danger, like what happened before. In fact, the Light Fury does trust Hiccup, as later when Hiccup comes to visit Toothless, she's happy to see him too.